Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on what's happening out by the Norman Manley International Airport Roundabout. Now this is where traditionally they had the Air Jamaica sign, but they recently took it down and put up this sign, which is NMIA, which stands for Norman Manley International Airport. And there you can see a plane taking off in the background. And then they set up this roundabout, very nicely done I must say, put in the bricks and put in a second sign that says Kingston. So this is now the first sign you will see when you leave the airport. There you can see it, Kingston. Now in the middle they have a flagpole where they're supposed to put a large Jamaican flag. Now I'm not sure what's taking so long because this has been done they've been working on it from last year, but the flag hasn't reached in there yet. And they have to paint these signs. Now, do you guys remember what the signs at the welcome to the Kingston International Airport? They have some very nice signs, or even the Negro sign. I'm not sure what's taking so long for them to paint these signs. The Negro sign is very nice. People stop and take pictures there all the time. Even the sign from Montego Bay and the one for the airport, those colors could work here. This is a nice sign that says Kingston. It's just, they need to paint it. And they need to put in a flagpole. And we had mentioned in other videos that maybe they should put back the Air Jamaica tail where there is a flagpole. Put back the Air Jamaica tail out there for some sort of historic value. But a lot of people said no, it's best to just move on. Air Jamaica doesn't fly anymore. So we need I'm not sure a flagpole is the ideal thing for there though. Maybe a statue might have been better. Guys, what do you think? Because in the airport, there's another roundabout. Actually, we're going to go down there and show you. Right as you drive into the roundabout, into the airport, there's a roundabout that has all the flags on it. They don't fly them. I don't know if it's for just official visits they fly them, but there's a flagpole down there that has like 100. There's a roundabout, that has like 100 flagpoles. So I'm not sure why they chose to put another flag up by the other roundabout. And this is the entrance to the airport. Perhaps somewhere out here they could put the Air Jamaica sign. The plan is to put it in a museum, but I don't know how many people visit museums. I think it might be better to put the sign somewhere out here. Okay, now we're coming up to, guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. There's a lot of space out here where it could go. We're coming up to straight ahead now you can see the flagpoles. So I'm not sure why they went with another flag further down. There you can see straight ahead to the right. That is where they have the other flagpoles. Alright guys, let us know what you think and why you think it's taking so long for them to paint the signs. There you can see, and they don't fly the flags out here. I'm not sure why, but there you can see like 100 flagpoles. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. It's a very nice roundabout, the one with the NMIA and the Kingston sign. Very nicely done, I must say. The brickwork, the lights, everything. It's just, they need to paint the sign. They can't just leave it white like that. And not sure if another flag was needed out there. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.